What's up everybody? Hardcore RC back. Got Callum's Max. Callum loves his little Max. As you saw on the last one, we'd fitted the Vitavon diff bulkhead because we'd broken that a few times, and unfortunately we've now broken something else. So the Maxes are great cars, but they do have a few weak spots. The front diff bulkhead is one of them, and the front C-hubs and steering block, or whatever you want to call it, is the other weak one. So we have also now gone and got ourselves a Vitavon upgraded part again. We're going to get that on the truck, then we're going to get out and give it another testing. See how they hold up. If you like what we're doing, please remember to subscribe. It's totally and utterly free, doesn't cost you a penny to subscribe, just helps us out a little bit. Turn on those notifications as well, please, and give us a like or comment below. Let's get into fitting this new Vitavon part to the car, and we'll get out there, and I'm sure Callum will see what he can do with it, see what he can break on it next. Get the first one open. Man, just look at the quality of that. It's already put together for you. Comes with bearings, ready to use. And they are metal shielded bearings. So we might have to change those for rubber shielded ones at some stage. But look at that. That is beautiful quality. Oh man, just look at that, guys. Fits beautifully. So well made. So well made. The bulkhead in there. Let's get the other one on there, and then we'll be getting out there and sending it. Okay guys, it's both sides in now. It even looks the part now. So all we've got to do now is get Callum to get out there and send this thing to the moon. Callum's going to be taking out his Max with the Vitavon front hubs, C-hubs. See what that can do. Get it out there. I think he's going to send it off the big, mega big ramp. Mega. That one over there. Yeah. The mega one. Mega. See what it can see if it holds up.
What's that?
Here comes Callum with the Max. He's going to test out those Vitavon front.
Yeah, I think it's on the empty. They're tiny, aren't they?
Oh, he's definitely testing out that front end. But it's TRAXXAS tough. All okay?
All okay.
So the all bit of grass.
It's hungry.
Doing some gardening.
It was hungry.
Hungry, but yep, we're good. Callum's going to give it another go. Oh, that's
Come on.
Is that taking that from there as well?
Taking it, dude.
Oh no. No, we've lost an arm.
Oh no. Oh.
We've lost an arm and a top arm.
Let's get in there like the paparazzi. Someone else on the camera. Come on, get in there.
No, it's done them.
Oh,
and I haven't got spares.
And top.
I haven't got spare ones of those either.
Oh, what?
Not unless I make it narrow max at the front. Heads. Granite.
You can carry on going, can't it?
Carry on going. Just got you've got no arms at the front.
That's alright, it'll take it.
Comes a long one. Oh. Martin coming in with his whatever this car is. We're going to be right under the jump zone. Oh. I think that's a Creighton. Yep. With a dodgy body. And Callum, even though we've got the broken arms, we're still going to send, because we've got to test those new parts out, and 2 jumps isn't enough for a test. So Callum is going to send the Max again. Oh, definitely breaking the arm now. He totally missed that. The arm is shot to pieces. Oh no, something else gone now, I think. No, top arm's gone, you've got no steering, Callum.
why I crashed.
Yeah.
I might as well go back to the car and get the rod in then. Or the
Problem is with that, you see, you've got no
steering.
Once that moves out of the way,
Yeah.
you've got no steering. I don't know whether anyone's got any long ones here. We can ask. Martin might have a spare.
Yeah, I was going to say Martin probably getting one.
Whether he's got any spare long ones, but I couldn't get hold of any long ones. If it'd been short ones, I got them. Try the X Max. That's a good jump with the X Max. Banana armoured. Oh! Took it though. Oh, took a chunk out the ramp. Incoming Italian. More like it. Oh, goes to the front bumper RPM.
It's gone past the record.
It's gone past the record though. That normally pulls out. That's pulled out. It's probably not done any damage. It's just one of the weak spots of the RPM bumpers as they pull through. What's going on?
No, I can't drive.
You can't drive today, can you?
Hairs in my eye.
Is it? Not landing them, are you?
Oh, what's happened? I've only got real drive. Send it anyway.
So we fixed up the Talion. It's only got 3 screws in the front now. If he does another louse landing, it could be the death of the Talion today. Oh, that's better. Oh, it's the rear landing though. That's the rear done. He's broken both the RPM rod shock rod ends I've put on.
Just an hour ago.
Just replace those now. RPM ones. How are you breaking the RPM ones?
I don't know. Bad driver.
Balance lead as well coming out a bit.
I'm a bad driver today.
And your battery's come undone.
Broken another
broke strap. Don't know whether I've got a spare strap with me or not.
Well, so I don't want to really drive this anymore today. It's a bit of a curse.
It's a curse, is it?
Yeah.
Italian might be retiring for the day.
Is that a bit bent?
Oh, he's bent. He's bent the titanium, Scorched RC titanium shock tower's bent as well. Done a job on that one.
It looks like the cursed Creighton, but it's the cursed Italian.
Doesn't land properly, does it? No. It's good round the track though.
Yeah, it's right around the track.
What do we have, Callum? What car do we have? What's that? Is that the Lottie?
It's been bananaed. It's been bananaed.
Bananaed? Banana armour. We're going to send it off of this ginormous jump. Ready? Here he comes. What's that?
Snotty tough.
Snotty tough?
Yeah, snotty notty.
Don't you mean armour tough?
No, look, it's got a bit of snot.
Jeez! It's still fine.
You need a wider ramp.
Callum, what do we have?
Notty!
What's that?
Notorious!
Is that down there?
Yeah, it's
Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, almost took that out.
He's coming, I think it's Matt with his... Oh, might have to get out of the way a bit. Oh, that's up there as well. Nicely done. Oh! Oh! Okay guys, so Max had a good outing. Unfortunately, what happened, Callum?
broke it.
You broke it. How'd you break it?
Long jump.
A long jump. What did you do to it? Show our viewers what you did to it then.
Broke arm, top arm, and drive shaft all on the same side.
Oh dear. So it's a drive shaft, top arm, lower arm. Ouch. But the Vitavon hub, C-hub held up, and the
diff case.
diff bulkhead held up.
Rolly,
So
rolly.
that's a bit annoying. What we might do though is buy a whole set of the wide Max kit. That way we've got lots of spares. Probably cheaper to do it that way. So, we had a good outing with it though. So guys, remember, like what we're doing, remember to
Subscribe, hit a like, comment down below, and share to everyone.
share to everyone. That's the Max, Mini Max, whatever you want to call it, Max. Signing out.